Not Nvidia, you crazy. Stop this. You're out of your mind.
I'm broke.
यूट्यूब स्क्रॉल कर रहा था और बहुत अच्छे तरह से यहाँ पे वीडियो देखने को मिला। इस वीडियो के अंदर एक ट्रेडर की जर्नी बताई, कहाँ उसने जीरो से शुरू करके एक बहुत अच्छा खासा बड़ा ट्रेडर बना और उसके बाद जस्ट वापस वो जीरो पे पहुंच गया। तो ये वीडियो के अंदर प्रॉपरली दो चीज़ के यहाँ पे बारे में बताया गया, एक है लक और एक है स्किल, और दोनों को अच्छे खासे तरीके से डिफ्रेंशिएट किया गया है। ये वीडियो चाहे एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पज़ के लिए बनाया गया हो, लेकिन इस वीडियो के अंदर जो भी हमको देखने को मिला वो बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट रियल लाइफ को रिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया। देखते हैं वीडियो को और जानते हैं कि इसके अंदर क्या चीज़ हमको सीखना चाहिए और क्या चीज़ को अवॉइड।
I'm broke. Yes?
Dude, you won't believe it. I just made $15,000 trading stocks on 10x leverage.
No way.
This is insane, man. I just escaped the wage cage for like 6 months.
How did you do that? I don't know anything about trading. To try on this Nvidia stock. It looks like it's been pumping for ages.
No, bro. Don't buy at an all-time high. Try for example Intel Corp. It has fallen like 25% in 6 months.
No, I want this one. I feel like it's going to pump. I'm going to put 100x because I need money ASAP.
Dude, are you mad? If the stock moves a single percent, you're liquidated. Don't do this.
I don't care. High win requires high risk. I'm going all in.
No, what are you doing? Not Nvidia, you crazy. Stop this. You're out of your mind.
No way. No way, bro.
Dude, what happened? Did you get rinsed?
No, bro. I actually made $71,000 profit. The stock pumped to $350 per share.
What? How? What is this insane luck? 14K profit on margin trading already? How?
I don't know. Beginner luck, I guess. Tesla seems nice. It hasn't moved yet. I can feel it in my stomach. This is about to pump hard. I'm going all in with 100x. Hopefully it will pass. We are the heroes of our own story. No. Please. This is the end. I'm done. I can't believe it. I made $15 million in 2 trades. This is the most insane luck I have ever seen. I'm not responding. Now all he wants is my money. He can kiss my middle finger. Time to post my trades on Wall Street Bets to show all these apes who's boss here. From $500 to $15 million in 2 trades, 0 experience in trading. We are the heroes of our own story. I still can't believe it. What am I going to do with $15 million? I quit the idea of being rich a long time ago. It's time for a couple beers. I'm thirsty.
Hey bro. Are you the guy from the Reddit post?
I guess. Why the question?
Your post became viral. It sits at 45,000 upvotes already.
Wait, really? Let me check. What? 46k now. How did this happen? This is the craziest trades of all time. The luck on this is insane. It just so happens Nvidia and Tesla stocks get a huge exposure, while this guy places 2 100x leverages. This is crazy. This is the most retarded and aping way of making money, and I love it. Dude, I'm shocked.
You are a trader legend. Enjoy your gains.
Okay, time to go back home. I've got some new trades to do. MicroStrategy seems nice. The Bitcoin bull run is coming, and there is obviously an opportunity to grab here. Let's go on Pump It Exchange. I'm going to put $500,000 on 10x leverage. I'm confident it will pass. We will check tomorrow and see how it goes. Dear Ward Jack, I hope this message finds you well. I'm reaching out from Vertex Financial Holdings to invite you for an interview regarding a potential position with our team. We were impressed by your success on Reddit and believe your skills could be an excellent fit for our company. The interview is scheduled for tomorrow at 3 p.m. at our Wall Street office. Bro, I can't believe it. I'm invited for an interview in Wall Street. This has to be a joke. Let's check our Reddit post.
Oh my god!
Crazy. 227,000 upvotes. This is getting out of control. I understand why Vertex is interested in my profile. Makes sense. Okay, let's go sleep and see how my trade performs overnight. MicroStrategy increased 152.5%. Your $499,000 position has been sold with a profit of $7.6 million. No way. Another $7 million. This brings my balance net $23 million. This is Maglid. Time to prepare for the interview. I managed to get over $20 million very quickly.
That's impressive. We are really interested in your profile. You seem like a very successful young trader with lots of ambitions. I don't know what you think, Karen, but I think we have our candidate.
I agree. The fact that you are a popular trader on Wall Street bets really help with the company's image. You start today.
Thank you so much for the opportunity you give me. I will make sure to trade to the best of my abilities.
We have no doubts that you will be scaling this company even more. Welcome to Vertex.
Dude, what are all of these papers? I don't understand anything. 2 days ago I was a loser, on the verge of eviction, and now I'm a famous Wall Street trader. This is wild.
Hey, are you the new trader? I heard you're the one from Wall Street Bets. It's a real honor to meet you.
Thanks. Yes, it's me, I guess. Nice to meet you too.
I can't believe they already put you in Section 2. You must be really talented. How much do they pay you if it's not private?
$12,000 monthly paycheck plus 5% of any trades of $1 million profit. Dude, can you help me with the monitor? I'm kinda lost. They told me I could use Pumpet Exchange for my trades.
Sure, mate. That's an insane salary to start with. I have been in this company for 5 years with a bachelor in finances and economics and haven't been able to reach Section 2 yet. It's also insane that they let you trade on the platform of your choice. They must really trust you.
What? $100 million? This is an insane balance.
Welcome to Vertex, mate. It's no joke here. Okay, good luck on your trades. I see you later.
Advanced Micro Devices seems nice. This stock is backed by crypto miners. With the bull run coming, lots of people should join the mining industry. $10 million margin, 100x leverage on AMD stock. This is Maglid, but the greatest legends are the biggest apes. This is the way, my brothers. Everything or nothing. This is the biggest coin flip in history. I hope it passes. I'm controlling a position worth $1 billion as my first trade in a professional company. Let's hope it passes. Wait. $1 billion profit. Wait. I need to sell. Bro, this is absolutely insane. I just made the company $1 billion in 5 minutes. Let's go. This is crazy. The power is outstanding. This feels nice to come back where it all began. It was on this parking lot that my life changed overnight. I took a gamble and it succeeded. We are the heroes of our own story.
A random trader named Wojak recently became famous after turning $500 into hundreds of millions in just a couple weeks. His story started on the well-known subreddit Wall Street Bets after hitting $20 million in 2 trades. Wojak is now working for the famous company Vertex Financial Holdings, for which he became the leading trader strategist after an astonishing $1 billion profit trade on AMD stock. More information soon.
Thank you very much and welcome to one of our most important meeting of the year. Today we will let our famous trader Wojak speak on the next strategies regarding our company. Please welcome him.
Thank you everyone. I'm very excited for this second quarter. I have prepared some guidelines to follow in order to trade with the most efficient returns. You will find all the instructions.
Yes, Wojak is a very experienced trader. He is a Wall Street Bets
It's very
superstar.
important that anyone follow the rules. Now let's jump into the analysis to understand everything better.
That's 100 grand right here. Well done, mate.
This is crazy. Another 10x massive win. Another 100k call options on MicroStrategy. This is the craziest win rate I have ever seen.
I can't believe it, Wojak. You made this company rich. You are more than an inspiration.
It's a real honor, boss. I'm committed to level up this company to its maximum potential.
I'm sure you do. That's why I give you the permission to trade like you wish. Bring me more money, and I will make you the most famous trader in the world.
Today, I'm doing my biggest trade ever. I will be using 1000x leverage on a stock, using $10 billion as margin. Results will be broadcasted live on Vertex Financial Holdings. Okay, it's time. Let's log into Pumpit Exchange.
Silence everyone. Wojak is going to perform the trade. Start the live stream on our channel. I want the world to see how Vertex performs in trading. We will reach the top companies of all time.
You can do this, Wojak. The world is watching us right now. $10 billion. What a huge amount of money. I think I'm going to trade on GameStop. The apes have been pretty wild recently. This is an opportunity to make a huge profit. It's happening. I'm about to press the buy button.
Get ready everyone. We just had confirmation from GameStop that they will issue new shares for this trade. You have the green light, Wojak.
We are the heroes of our own story. Please, don't let me down on this one.